like someone's gonna get fucked up.
Nice. This actually would be a good, just book it.
May respawn?
One, 2 respawns. Come on.
2 respawns?
2. That's enough.
Yes. Zip ties. Got it.
That's a tinfoil rubber ducky.
What's a tinfoil rubber ducky?
A tinfoil rubber ducky is when you go into seedy areas where women are dancing. You ask for a tinfoil rubber ducky.
What about 10?
Did we use those flags?
Hopefully my camera
they get
records
way
some.
the fuck up there.
Yeah, I don't think they come
Potty
down
mouth, man. Potty mouth. You're too young to be talking like us.
You see the way this son of a bitch is shot? I'll pop your gay ass.
Jesse,
Are
I'm
you
gonna
running straight there?
run with you, and when they
Dude, I was.
Are you gonna run straight there or what?
you want me to? What do you do?
I'm gonna go right there too, but
just stop right up
go
there and shoot all of them as
barrier
soon
to
as they
barrier.
spawn.
I'm gonna spawn. I'm gonna shoot them going in.
Okay.
If you guys want to book it straight in, I'm gonna
So
go
am
to Taft
going
Airsoft
full
and
on
I'm
all the
gonna
way
shoot
to-
straight in.
I'll try. I feel like I'm just gonna catch a bunch of. Oh my god! Shots at the face. Or
My
just
dad-
parlay
my
with
dad
everyone.
is-
Go like this and make it in there. I'll yell.
My dad's looking
I'll
for you
yell
to
how
look
many
like
get in.
you look like you're a gangster.
I'll yell at you
If
how
you
many.
sag your pants, you would look perfect.
But go in,
Then I'll run and fall.
go in and get down. Cause they're gonna be looking here.
Still too fucking hard.
I'll try.
Something I'll yell.
I don't want to get shot.
I'll yell how
As
many
soon
people.
as you leave here, just start yelling bang bang. That way the whole way across, bang 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 bang.
As I'm running, bang, 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 bang.
Well, from this distance, I can hit them.
With that?
Dude, as soon as they blow the whistle, just full auto on them.
They're
We'll
on
get
site,
most
yeah.
of them.
Come, spawn, shoot them going in.
I got my rod, so if
Let
I can
them-
fucking
Let them. They're gonna book it straight in,
Okay.
So am I.
and we're gonna shoot over as they try to move.
Not
in.
you.
I'm gonna like move
Yeah,
up.
go here, and I'm gonna go
wouldn't
in
When they
there.
hit,
Why
I
don't
can
we
let them.
go in there?
Which side you
I'm
gonna?
tired
Which
of
opening you
running.
gonna shoot at? Alright.
I'm gonna shoot it whoever
Whatever
I
you
can.
can.
Do you want me to move in with them or stay here?
You do whatever you want.
Hey,
You can go middle, you can go right. You can move in there. Go with it.
Yeah,
Run
I'm
all
gonna
in
go
there.
up there.
No,
Yeah, either way, I'll follow
You
you.
guys are hitting it there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
We're just gonna cut them off
Then we
so
go.
that they don't get their face inside.
Who do you keep pointing at?
Him.
Okay. I was like, don't point at me. I'm not running inside there.
Hey,
You are.
guys,
I have a sniper rifle.
some of you come over here.
Yeah, once
like,
you get in there, you can snipe them
That
out.
was the plan.
I don't.
What the fuck happened to the plan?
Whoa.
I wanted to sit back, let them come to
They're
me
all
for a
over
change.
here.
Wing it. Chris, you want to race?
Okay, alright.
Go out around this way.
Don't jump over that bush.
I can't get my bandana on
No,
over
they're
my
all
beard.
over.
They're on. You gotta be on one of these flags. Yeah.
They're on the flag, right? They have to be sitting on the flag. Or both the groups on the flag?
Either way.
Do whatever you want. Just hurry the fuck
everyone
up.
start on one flag.
You guys
Thank
have to
you.
start in that back corner.
Yeah, there's 2 separate flags. You gotta spawn on either one.
No, that's fine. You shut up, Chris.
I thought either one.
Damn, they're all
Ready.
going.
I'm
Get
about
ready.
to shoot all
Get
you
ready.
guys right now.
You ready?
Respawn.
Chris, ready?
I guess. But...
When you get in.
What the fuck was that?
Got
There's
him.
2 of them. Help!
There's so many guys right there. They moved up again. They're right. Okay. No line right here.
I dropped my mag. I got him. Nice kill. Mortar's out!
Too far!
We're gonna move up one to the.
Alright. Me?
No.
Oh.
We got any more steel straight?
Yeah, on tower.
You ran faster than my BBs. Nothing closer though, right?
No.
Take that off. Take out the
Hey. Hey. Watching? Zeke. Zeke.
Hey, they're moving on your left! Hey, Beard, he can't be moving in the field. I'm just letting you know, that's what Edmonds told me. I don't know who you think you are. Kill! Bogey egg! Dude, he got it right when he ran out. Hey, they're going hard.
It's too far, I think.
No!
Got him, huh?
You guys with that fucking...
Hey, I got a double kill on that grenade.
I don't see nobody.
Double kill on that grenade. You got two on that second barrier. Got one. One's down. Behind cafe. Hey, Chewies, look at right behind cafe. There's one on tower one. Your battery's dying. Tower 1! There's 2 on Tower 1! Okay. I'm out of ABBs. Tower 1, Tower 2! Come on, mortar! You're on our side! There's Tower 2! Tower 1's dead. Tower 1's dead. Come in the knee.
No, that's fine. Yeah, no, I would have shot him in the knee or the leg.
I wasn't good.
Oh man, I wish I had a knee, dude. I hit that dude in the face with the
You
ball,
did?
man. Yeah, I did.
Oh!
Oh my
That
God.
was sweet.
I'm like, yeah, I nailed him. Dead in the face.
Nice.
Hey, first man's coming, bro. We used all our 30 rounds for the day.
Awesome.
Yeah?
Well, yeah, that's why we killed you, because we went.
Oh! Yeah!
It didn't go boom! It didn't go boom, it went boom.
I'm glad I was staying behind the wall.
Dude, I saw the ball go like this. It did go bam! It was right there. And
Oh,
you
you mean
burned.
a
That's what I'm telling you. Everyone behind there.
I ran all the way through.
Yes.